The Indian stock market is one of the largest and most active markets globally, featuring daily trading on its two main exchanges, the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. Here's what the everyday market looks like. The market barometer, representing 30 top companies, stood at 80,092 points, down about 530 points by mid-morning on August 8, 2025. Over the past month, Sensex declined by 4.12%, though it remains up to 0.49% compared to a year ago. India's broad-based index was at 24,434, dropping about 160 points. Today, Nifty tracks the performance of 50 leading NSE companies. The market operates on the principles of supply and demand chains. Prices fluctuate throughout the day as buyers and sellers trade shares on the BSE and NSE, regulated by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, which ensures transparency and smooth functioning. Now, trading occurs in two segments: primary market and secondary market. In primary market, companies list shares through an initial public offerings, that is IPO, which you might have seen it. Second is the secondary market, of course. In this, investors sell or buy their existing shares via brokers or the broking houses, mostly through their electronic platforms. Most of the participants use electronic platforms or brokers to place trade orders. Computers match buy and sell orders in seconds, making the market fast and highly liquid. Indian stocks have felt pressure from the external factors such as US tariff policies and global growth concerns, which have led to uncertainty and foreign fund outflows. As of 2025, Indian equities have swung between rallies and corrections. A robust recovery in March reversed earlier losses, only for fresh volatility to emerge alongside international conflicts and developments. Today, sectors like IT, banking, automotive, and pharma significantly influence daily market because they have the highest values. Top gainers and losers fluctuate by the hour. For example, Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank, Infosys, and Adani Ports are among today's prominent movers. Analysts forecast the market will reach new highs by late 2025, with the Nifty 50 predicted to climb to around 26,500. Though cautions persist over high valuations and likelihood of a correction in the short term. The stock market typically opens at 9:15 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday. The everyday Indian stock market is vibrant, fast moving, and influenced by domestic and international factors. Major indices track the ups and downs, while millions of trades are executed electronically via brokers and broking houses. Regulatory oversight ensures stability and transparency, making it a trusted avenue for both short term trading and long term trading.